of seven sisters, where hills meet the sky. A tapestry of cultures forever passes by. From Assam's tea gardens to Meghalaya's rain, Nagaland's mountains to Manipur's valley plain. With every step, a new story unfolds of a land where diversity forever takes hold. In the northeast heart, a harmony resides, a blend of traditions forever abides. In Arunachal's dawn, the sun rises high. In Sikkim snow, the Himalayas touch the sky. In Tripura's forests, the ancient secrets sleep. In Mizoram's hills, the vibrant culture creeps. With every note, a new melody plays, of a land where music forever sways. In the northeast soul, a rhythm beats strong, a celebration of life forever lives on. With every note, a new melody plays, of a land where